Alright, my name is Davian, and this is my 2018 pkripper. My Instagram is @brwd.doph, D-O-P-H. Go follow me. So this is a quick run through of my bike. First we got the Shimano SLX hydraulic brakes with a pink brake sleeve on there. Purple ODI flange grips. We got 4 donuts right here. Here we have the stock tires because I really like the black on them. We got purple spoke skins. New sticker kit on its way soon in a few days, so that'll be good. We have the stock sprocket, mostly everything's stock in here. We got the GT pedals, blocks flyer seat, and I put the blue part of the blue flyer seat on there. And then we got these, I'm pretty sure are Black Ops pegs, screw-ons. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right, Davian, you ready for some clips, bro?
Let's go.
Bet.